In this tutorial, we will cover the new Distortions feature of ArtText 4. Every distortion effect is highly customizable and aimed at seriously modifying font shape and body. Let's kick off with Fully Adjustable Mask Effect. ArtText comes with a large collection of mask presets and option to reverse mask pattern with inverse checkbox. Scale, brightness, contrast, and blur sliders help to quickly fine-tune the mask effect. Erosion provides a comparable effect to applying a mask. The main difference of the erosion effect is that it preserves the shape edges intact. Deselecting the inner checkbox will cause the erosion to penetrate characters from the outside towards the center. Simulating the noise effect around text is achieved with outer distress. Creative text designs can be achieved by experimenting with noise effect strength using density, radius, and other controls. Each distortion effect can be used individually or combined with others, and I'll show you how to create a realistic paint-drawn word. The first step is to add brush distortion to simulate brush stroke and adjust the density, brightness, and contrast of the brush. To make the brush paint effect even more realistic, I will add displacement on top of the brush distortion. With details and amount sliders, I can set how strongly the displacement distorts the text. Typical paint spread effect is achieved by leaving the amount slider at minimal level. Now let's move on to the roundness distortion, which smooths out font corners. You can customize the level of smoothing and character thickness using roundness and offset sliders respectively. Next, I will add side displacement. As the name implies, the effect distorts the chosen side of the word characters via angle slider. And last but the not least distortion option is blur. With blur, you can create smoky or foggy text effects easily. Blur effect can provide a rather fascinating frost lettering by replacing mask with frost texture from the supplied collection. Go on and experiment yourself by mixing different distortions, textures, and effects to create exclusive text designs.